Leadership decisions are rarely simple. They carry weight, consequences, and long-term impact that extends far beyond the moment. Data is essential in decision-making, but it is only a tool. It does not replace responsibility or judgment. Numbers provide insight, but they do not make decisions. Leaders do, and that responsibility cannot be delegated. Instinct plays a role in leadership, but instinct alone can mislead when decisions shape long-term direction. Experience adds perspective that data and instinct cannot fully capture, especially in complex business environments. The same data can mean different things depending on timing, context, and the environment surrounding a decision. Every meaningful decision involves trade-offs. Choosing one direction means consciously leaving another behind. Leaders constantly balance speed with precision, knowing that waiting too long can be as risky as acting too fast. Overanalysis often creates hesitation. Indecision can quietly become one of the most costly leadership failures. Judgment bridges the gap between data, instinct, and action, allowing leaders to move forward responsibly. Every decision carries accountability, regardless of how much data supported it at the time. Decisions define direction. They influence momentum, priorities, culture, and long-term organizational behavior. Clarity rarely appears before action. More often, it emerges after leaders commit and move forward. Confidence is built through decision-making, not avoidance. Leadership grows stronger with responsibility. Strong leadership decisions go beyond data and instinct, relying on balanced judgment and ownership.